Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my top tips to minimal packing like a pro. Whether you're traveling for a long trip or a short trip, these tips save me from overpacking but still having and using everything I need. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And for you guys who've been here before, welcome back. Starting off with tip number one, don't think an outfit a day, but think a capsule wardrobe. Now, I used to be a huge overpacker myself, and whenever I would go on a trip, I would pack my outfits according to the days and the duration of my trip. So if I'm going for a 10-day trip, I would pack 10 individual outfits, which doesn't only take so much time, but so much space as well. And in reality, I would never always wear the exact outfit for the day that I dedicated it to, because sometimes depending on the weather, it might change and then I would have to wear something else. And I end up having a suitcase full of clothes that I don't even end up wearing. This is something that we want to avoid at all costs, and that's why capsule wardrobes are also an amazing tool for packing light and minimal. If you watch any fashion content or styling content, you know that capsule wardrobes are huge. It really helps us from over shopping and really just having key pieces in your wardrobe that you can style and wear multiple ways. I want to share two popular packing methods that I've personally tried and loved and have always helped me pack very minimal and light, but still getting me the maximum amount of outfits. You might have already heard about this packing method, but it's the 3-3-3 method. And technically what you would bring is 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 shoes. These are only 9 items in total, but you can make countless outfits with this formula. There is not a one set template when it comes to the items that you will pack. So depending on where you're traveling to, these items might all look different. So if you want to pack light, and even if you want to pack with only a carry-on, I highly recommend this method. The next method is the 5-4-3-2-1 method. It has more items and you can really tailor it to how you like it. So I think the usual template would be 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 layering pieces, 2 shoes, and I think 1 accessory or 1 dress, but you can really tailor it to how you want and what you need. If you guys would like to see my take on a 3-3-3 method or the 5-4-3-2-1, oh my gosh, so many numbers, but if you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments. I could try to make this method with the clothes that I have and styling it, because I could make it mid-size friendly for you guys as well. Tip number 2 is having variety in your capsule wardrobe. I think most of the people get so stuck on the idea of a capsule wardrobe being just a collection of clothes that are basics. Ultimately, you want the capsule wardrobe to work for you and to offer you as much as possible outfits. When it comes to nailing a capsule wardrobe, a mini capsule wardrobe if you will, variety is key. Let's take the 3-3-3 method for example. When you bring 3 tops, please don't just bring 3 t-shirts in 3 different colors and thinking that all your outfits will look super different. Now, if you're the type of person that really does love wearing t-shirts, then think about different necklines. With different necklines, you can still create a lot of different looks and outfits. So think your classic crew neck, maybe a v-neck, and then the square neckline. Another way to bring variety is textures. So think if you are bringing 3 bottoms and you all want them to be long pants, instead of making them look too much like each other, maybe think 1 dress pant, 1 wide leg denim jean, and then 1 pair of leather pants. All 3 of these have the same similar silhouette, but because the textures are different, it will still bring that variety in this packing method that you need. Tip number 3 is always pick versatility. So when it comes to clothes, you can think of a slip dress. A slip dress is something that you can wear multiple different ways because you can just wear it as a dress, but you can also wear it as a skirt as well. If you just put a sweater on top of it, it will look like you're just wearing a skirt, but actually you're wearing a dress. I also love implementing this with my tech equipment, my charger for example, because I have a lot of different devices. I really love this charger from Amazon that I will put up on the screen. This is a 3-in-1 charger for my phone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPods. And why this is so practical is because it instantly charges 3 things without you having to bring 3 charging heads, 3 different cables, and then looking for 3 separate plugs in your hotel room. It will be such a hot mess. So I love that this 3-in-1 charger charges all my devices with just 1 cable and 1 charging head. And the same goes for accessories. And I just made a video on the best travel bags. If you guys are interested, I will link it up in the cards. But I will always travel with a bag that I can wear a lot of different ways. Preferably something that I can wear from daytime to nighttime, and something that I can wear, like I said, a lot of different ways. So top handle, on the shoulder, crossbody. That is a must when I'm packing a bag for travel, because I don't want to have to pack a lot of different bags for different things. I just want 1 or maximum 2 bags that can do it all for the entire trip. And the next tip is that compression packing cubes are your best friend. Yes, I said it, and I'm so sorry if regular packing cubes are your thing. Now, my favorite ones are the ones from Amazon, and if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, I will link it in my description box. These compression packing cubes are super affordable, but they're really high quality. I actually saw these from an influencer on TikTok that I follow. She does these packing videos, and I was amazed by how many outfits she could pack in these compression packing cubes. But why I would pick the compression cubes over the regular packing cubes is because when you compress them, the cube becomes so much smaller, and it's just like magic. Because when you use the regular packing cubes, you can stuff a lot of things in there, but it will also be very bulky, and there would be a lot of excess air, and the compression cubes just pushes out all the air and leaves you with a way smaller and slimmer packing cube. I also really prefer the compression cubes because they compress, they also stay wrinkle free. And the compression cubes are very tight together so that when you take it out, it will stay exactly as how you pack them. If you've never used any packing cubes before, this is also a great way for organization. Usually I would pack my tops together, my bottoms. To me, it's also more hygienic, especially when you're packing your shoes. I never want my shoes to touch my clothes, so I would always separate them, and I would even put my shoes in different bags, so I would just have it separated from all the other items in my luggage as well. And that includes my top tips for minimal packing like a pro. Let me know down in the comments if you have any tips on packing minimal and light and what you usually use. I would love to know. If you're planning on going on a vacation, I wish you a very safe and fun trip. If you watched all the way till the end, thank you so much. I love you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!